So this is out of the acid now. It's only joined on the bottom, remember, so there is a chance. It's not great, but there is a chance you could, if you didn't like the angle too much, you could get away with just tweaking it. Only a small amount, but it can help you get something slightly wrong to perfect. But not ideal. Ideally, you've just lined it up correctly and soldered it on. This is an example of how on different days you do things differently, you just make different decisions. I think before in the video, when I did the other two claws, I said hold it upside down because the first solder, being the one on the bottom of the collet, is beneficial because if it's a little bit wrong, you can adjust it. You've got a chance of swinging it left or right to straighten it up. Today, I feel like holding it with the length of the claws pointing up is better because I can really see confidently that it's in the correct angle. So if it was upside down, that would all be hidden by the tweezers. So today I'm doing the top of the collet first. It depends what you prefer. So there's an element of, as I've said on my channel, I just show you what I do and take it or leave it. But I do kind of back up what I say works by showing you it working. But yeah, there are elements of just try things, make your own decisions, and do what works best for you.